Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, the Lifeline of National Economy. This chapter from class 10th Geography. Okay, dear student, let's start. In previous chapter, we learned about the manufacturing industries. These manufacturing industries produce the lots of goods. Okay, and these goods are supplied into the market, and we purchase these goods for our survival. So these goods and services make our life easy and comfortable. But you think how these goods are comes to you? Due to the transportation and communication. So both are involved here, transportation and communication, that both makes your life easy and comfortable. How? Because due to the transportation you get the goods from your nearest market that you require. So let's we see what is the transportation. After that we discuss about the communication, but first of all we focus on the transportation. So think, what is transportation? Transportation means the movement of goods, people and services from one place to another place. It's called transportation. So transportation is necessary. Without transportation, people can't move from one place to another place, goods can't move from one place to another place, either service can move one place to another place. So it is very important for us. So next see some importance of transport, either transportation. So first of all we see movement of goods and services. So I already told you कि manufacturing industries are produce the goods, either factories are produce the goods, and these goods are supplied to the market and you purchase it from your nearest market. So to move, either carry the goods and services, the people, okay, we require the transport. The second importance is provide employment. So think some people are engaged in such activity. Some people are engaged in buying and selling. They are known as the trader, either retailer, either wholesaler. Okay, and some people are work as a driver. Some people work for loading and unloading of goods. So transport provide the employment to the people. So people are get the job, either work in transport related work. Next, third, the space of development of country, okay, not only depends on the production of the manufacturing goods, it also depends on the distribution of goods and services over the space. I repeat one again, the space of development of a country, either of any region, does not depends only on the production of goods and services. It also depends on its distribution over a space. Okay. The next point, fourth point is now our world has been converted into a large village. How? Now due to the development of efficient and dense transport network. So all of you have seen the latest model of the car, okay, and also latest technology used in railways, waterways, airways. So it's make the transportation more efficient and more easy. That's why now our world has been converted as a large village. That means we easily move from one country to another country. Okay. Next, we discuss about the expand trade and commerce. Raw material supply into the industries, and industry produce the goods, and this finished product transported to the market. Transported to the market. So, transportation helps to develop the trade and commerce. So, easy and efficient, okay, and good transport network is prerequisite for local trade, for national trade, and for global trade. Okay. So, trade means exchange of goods and services. So, it promoted by the transportation. Okay. Next, transport, communication and trade are complementary to each other. That means development of the transport depends on the communication, and trade depends on the transport and both communication. So, transportation, communication and trade, they are depends on each other. That is why both means three, transport, communication and trade are complementary to each other. We can't think left of anyone. Okay. So, one development, the development of the transport depends on the communication, okay, and trade and commerce. Its development depends on transport and communication. Its development depends on the transport. So, three components are depends on each other. Okay. Next, we see the its, that means transport enrich our life. How? Now, transport supply the daily goods, daily needs goods and basic amenities. Those things are required in our daily life to you. Who supply? Transportation, and make our life easy and comfortable and improve our standard of living. That is why transportation is very important for us and for our country's development, either for the development of the economy of a nation.